I'm going to start by making a simple syrup. I have here some raw cane sugar and some water. Alright, for this breakfast cereal, I'm going to make it very simple in the beginning, and then I'll add my toppings later. First thing I want to add is oats to a bowl. I added some almond extract. And now I have my syrup here. You can use maple syrup, date syrup, it doesn't really matter. This is all I have today. So, just going to add the syrup in here. All I did was add raw sugar to the pan and a little bit of water. Almost identical, but not too much. But it's a 1-to-1 ratio if you want to keep that in mind. So I'm going to mix this up gently. And now I recommend you adding your nuts or any other ingredient later on. First thing is to cook the granola. I'm going to be adding some cinnamon, a little bit of ginger, a touch more of almond extract. Now we just give it a good mix. I'm going to get a sheet tray, use a silicone mat, and I'm going to add my granola to the tray. I'm going to spread it. And now I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And in those 30 minutes, I'm going to turn it over every 5 to 7 minutes, keeping an eye on it. So once the granola is ready, you allow it to cool down completely, and then you add your toppings. I'm going to split it into half and make 2 versions. The first one's going to have some raisins and pecans, and the next one is going to have hazelnuts and some chocolate chips. You can add whatever you want at this point. Now we serve for our dessert, and you can also have this for breakfast. And there you have it, an amazing cereal recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.